In any photo you capture, the light will fall on the subject in a certain way, creating highlights, which are the bright areas of the photo, and shadows, being the dark areas. Highlights and shadows create contrast, which can help to make the photo more interesting, but can also create some problems in some situations. For example, if you're taking a portrait, you probably don't want your subject's face to be covered by shadows, or his background to be blown by highlights. You will probably want a balance between highlights and shadows to make your subject's features clearly visible.
Now in this photo, as you can see, there are low details in the highlights of the sky and also low details in the shadows of the trees and boats. So what we're going to do is bring up the editing software already built in your phone. In iPhones, you just hit edit in top right corner and you will see these sliders show up. Now we're gonna locate highlights and bring that down. Now the sky is showing much more details and colors. Then lifting up shadows will bring more details to life. We can also bring the contrast a little bit down here. Now you can see the difference in the photo that we made easily in a few seconds. If your phone doesn't have editing software or you want better results, you can download Lightroom or Snapseed from your application store. In Lightroom, you're gonna first add the photo you want to work on from the bottom right. Now in this photo, the sky has plenty of details, but the face of the model is covered by shadows, so we need to lift that up. By hitting the light section, the sliders will pop up, and we're gonna move the shadows slider from left to right. You can see the difference now. Although I must say, the amount of details you can bring back after shooting depends on your camera quality and if you're shooting in JPEG or RAW. We'll try one more, this time in Snapseed app. So just tap the plus sign and add the photo you want to work on. So now as you can see, the object in the photo is not clearly visible because of the bright sky behind it. Now from Tools, we're gonna choose Toon Image, then locate Shadows and move it from left to right. We can also bring more details to the sky by choosing Highlights and moving it to the opposite side, from right to left. So that's all I have for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.